I'm glad you're here. Let's get straight to it. How to tie a necktie. On your tie, you're gonna have two different sides. You're gonna have the fat side and the skinny side. I like to call the thicker side. Put it on the right hand side, the fat side on the right side. Now, what I want you to do is make the right side a little bit longer than the left, okay? The fat one is longer than the skinny one. Now, the skinny side is not going to move at all. The first thing we're gonna do is, like to say, we're gonna try to cross up our opponent. We're playing basketball, we try to cross them up. First we make an X, right? Then we try to cross them again. We wrap them around one more time. Oh, here I go. Now I gotta go up for the dunk. I take it up to the back and I just flip it over the top. Bam. Okay, the last thing I gotta do is right in the center. I have to put it in the hoop. If you look right in there, there's a hole. Put it right through there and pull the fat one through. Now when I'm pulling through, I'm grabbing the skinny one and the fat one and I'm pulling them both. Boom, tug a little bit. Now to pull it up, I'm holding the skinny one, I'm grabbing the necktie and I'm pulling it up to the top. And there you go, you have your tie tied. Now you would take this piece, stick it inside of your shirt, and you're good to go. Now if you want it to be longer, you would just make the fat side a little bit longer than you did the first time around. So if you want to save it, just come all the way out. Don't bring this all the way out, keep it in some, and then you can save it for next time. How crazy is that? In less than 2 minutes, you just learn how to tie a tie. But I'm gonna show it to you one more time, just in case you missed it. So, real quick, get your tie. You got your fat side, you got your skinny side. Fat side on the right side, bam. Take my fat side, I'm gonna make it longer than the skinny side. There we go. All right, almost down to my thigh. There we go, middle of my thigh. I flip it over. I try to cross them. Cross them again, anaconda, you know, whatever you want to call it. I wrap it and I go up for the dunk. Oh, I put it over top. Boom. Now to finish the dunk off, to finish it off, I gotta put it through the hoop. And inside of right there, you have a hole. I want you to take the fat side, put it straight through that hole right in the front. Pull it down. Now while you're pulling it through, hold the skinny side and the fat one. Pull them down at the same time. Soft tug. We're gonna grab the fat one with our fingertips, these two fingers at the neck. We're gonna grab the skinny tie. We're gonna hold it down like I'm pulling it down. And I'm pulling the necktie up, triangle up. Ooh, brought it up, bam. And as you can see, my tie is tied. If you got it, you got it. If you still need it, watch this video again. Again, the first thing you're gonna do is try to cross them up. Boom, then you're gonna do the anaconda, wrap it one more time. Go up for the dunk, and in order to finish it, you gotta put it through the hoop. Bam! Pull them both down too, and tug it to the top. Again, less than 3 minutes and 3.5 minutes, you just learned again how to tie a tie. It's the man in the black chucks, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Let's go! Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.